Whether you're moving or working with a global team, you need to be able to handle different time zones elegantly with Python, and pandas makes that very easy. Let me show you. I've got a sample data frame here where I have event, meeting, deadline, and call, and then I have a time where I'm going to use this p.toDateTime to convert this list of strings into a list of date times. If I run this and use the head method, you can see that we have event and time. And if I use the df.dtypes, you can see that we have our date time object there. Now we have no idea what time zone this data frame is in. So let's convert this and localize this to the coordinated universal time. To do that, I'm going to take my time column and I'm going to localize my time zone using the tz_localize. And let's localize this to the universal coordinate time. When we do that, you can see it looks like we still have our same date time, but now we have this +00:00 because this is the coordinated universal time. If I were to move this to Eastern Standard Time, you can see that we have a -5 hours there. So let's stick with UTC. Notice also that when we look at this series, we have our UTC there instead of just the daytime nanoseconds as we had here. And so let's update the time using this. So now we have our same data frame. Let's say I have a call in New York that I want to coordinate, and I want to build a solution for understanding what the local time would be in New York. So we're going to take our time column, which has been localized already, and we're going to use the .dt tz.convert to America, New York. And you can see that we now have our -4 from that time. So instead of it being 1 o'clock or 1300 hours, it is now 9 with a -4. So this is one way we can update our data frame. So let's just call this time _New York and save that. If we look at our data frame again, we have another column. So you can see how we can easily extend this to multiple different time zones and convert between those time zones using the dt.tz_convert. Let's do one more. And let's create a new column for Tokyo. So we're going to set that equal to df.time, convert to Asia, Tokyo. And when we run this, we can preview our data frame. And now we have a data frame with the meeting time, the UTC time, time New York, and time in Tokyo. In this tutorial, I demonstrate how easily we can convert different time zones by first starting with localizing the time and then using the dt.tz_convert to convert to different time zones. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.